How's everyone doing? Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. I decided that I needed to finish this arrangement. This used to be in the foyer with fall foliage, and for winter I'm gonna do pine, faux pine. I prefer doing fresh, but there's just not a lot of places around here to get pine, and the ones that do exist, they're very expensive. And I do feel like a lot of people do like using faux better anyway. If you have animals or kids or pets, I guess it's a safer way to go. Obviously, I always prefer fresh, but fresh isn't always an option. So I'm just gonna make a simple arrangement for the mantle in the living room / kitchen. And then I have to replace these, which this one's still looking okay, but the other ones have dried out. They're from fall, just some little mums. And I was gonna do ivy or something, but I think I'm also gonna opt for faux greenery. It's just easy and less maintenance. As much as I would like to do real plants, this was just the best choice for me. Now, and I do feel for a lot of people it's the best choice too. And there really aren't a lot of nurseries near me, walking distance. And I don't no longer have trains to get around by, so I kind of either have to go by foot or by Uber or by bus, and that takes forever, and it's not always convenient. So I'm doing what I can with what I have. So usually with arrangements, big ones, I try to keep it to a volume, a main volume, and some height. I don't like things that are too flat. Some people like that. It's just for me, I prefer kind of a rounder, denser center with more verticality. So I'm just putting these faux pines in there, and then I'll kind of work around with that. And then let's see, I'll put some of this like juniper. I picked these up at Target. You can find them at a lot of stores. These are just the best ones I could find for the price. They're around like $5 and up per stem. Nothing. I think the most expensive one was $9.99, and that was just these large ones. But the rest of them are just $5, and I think that's a pretty good price for faux stems nowadays. Anyway, you can't really get better than that if you want realistic too. So I'm just gonna add some texture and interest. What else? I picked up some branches for it too. Those are behind me. And I'm gonna put these in here. I got these at Whole Foods. They're dogwood branches, red dogwood. And I just like the color. And I thought it would bring me some height. I had taller ones, but they hit the ceiling in the kitchen. So I think this might be better. Anyway, how is everyone? What are you guys doing at home? Is anybody started decorating? I know some of my friends have, and a lot of the people I watch on YouTube have started decorating. And I know some people haven't. I guess everybody has a different time to start. I usually like to start after Thanksgiving. I try to enjoy each holiday, so I think rushing for me doesn't work, because then I feel I lose focus of, I want to enjoy Halloween, I want to enjoy Thanksgiving, and now I'm going to enjoy Christmas. And there's plenty of time, because I take things down January 6th after Three Kings Day. So anyway, I'm going to work with that more once it's up on the mantle. Then I want to show you, I got more of those from the dollar spot. I think I'm going to put them in the bedroom windows. And then I also found these at the dollar spot. They're kind of flocked. And I think in the bedroom, I'm gonna do kind of a pine, winter pine. So bringing in some of this flocked stuff will give it that kind of snowy aesthetic. I also picked up some lights. They're all the lights that they have left. They're pretty much sold out right now. I mean, look at the state of this. This is how I found them. That is all they had, 2 boxes. Obviously that's not gonna be enough for a tree, so I'm gonna either have to find some online. I saw that Ace had some, but so this is red clear, green clear, white frosted. and they have red clear, white clear, green clear, but not the white frosted. I don't think most people would notice, but I might notice and it might drive me a little cuckoo. So I'm gonna try to find the exact ones. Every Target in the area is sold out, so I might have them delivered. And let's see. So for these, I got these kind of pine sprigs. So I'm going to use those in here. I'm gonna replace these. I'm gonna take them outside. Hopefully they survive the winter. I don't think they will. I'm sad about getting rid of them because there is still a little life in them, at least this one. But for example, I mean, this one has had it. It's pretty dried out. It's really sad. I don't like getting rid of plants. But what can I do? That's all they lasted. And it's time for something new and fresh. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these off camera, and then I'll show you the finished result and kind of explain it to you. But basically what I do is I just kind of break these pieces off and then start poking them in. I'm gonna leave the soil because I just am. I mean, I'm sure there's something I could do, like take it out and put in a florist foam, but that means buying foam that I don't have and spending more money and, you know, procrastinating the project much longer. So sometimes you just have to work with what you have. I think that's the point. The point is work with what you have. Go with your instinct. Do what you like. Nobody else cares. It's your house. Do what makes you happy. And that's it. I guess that's my point. Do what makes you happy. Also, if somebody on the street doesn't like it, they don't live here. So just, you know, remind yourself of that. It's easy to get caught up with trying to, you know, do things like other people, and that game doesn't end well. So before I continue rambling, I'm gonna focus on this, and I'll see you after it's done. So this is where they're at. I decided I'm gonna go outside and find some real pine and just kind of fill in the gaps instead of using all the picks, because what I think I'm gonna do is, if it works, I'm gonna put a garland here to kind of bring some of that wintry, and if it doesn't work, I'm even thinking of doing it over the window, over the bed window. So either here or here, so I wanna leave some of these. And what I like to do, which is also a good trick, is mixing some of the fake or faux greenery with real greenery. I think really makes it more believable. So I'm out to go get some greenery for those plants. And I'm also thinking I'm gonna visit the Christmas village and take you for a peek. Oh, by the way, there is the monument with the Christmas lights. And yeah, so I'm gonna head downtown, show you the village, and get some pine for my decorations.